Hi, this is Karen with WTI. It was super difficult to me to mount my phone and unmount it, but with this OHLPRO car mount has been a saver for me. Especially when I'm getting into the car and out of the car, I just want to grab my phone. And here we were driving a really bumpy road and look at it. It doesn't move. It stays there for as long as I need it. I really love the option that I can be charging my phone whenever it's attached to the car mount, but also I can have it without charging. I really like to be mindful of the battery of my phone. And this is another option where I can mount it on the vents from the AC. So it's really simple. I really like that. It's super secure. Another thing that I really love is that I can just face it towards whatever I need it to be facing. And it comes with this extra ring in case the an extra phone is needed to be mounted. It's super simple to use, and I love that option. And that's my point of view.